So you want to make a Mad Lib using Python? This is how you can do it. So step 1, come up here and make a new file and name it madlib.py. Okay, step 2 is to know the beginning from the end. Because we're making a Mad Lib, you're going to be getting nouns and adjectives from the user, and you're going to be using that to make a really funny story. So step 3, we're going to want to get inputs from the user. So make some variables. And when you make additional ones, you can just name them like noun 2 or noun 3 or however many you want to use. Same with adjectives and verbs. And as you can see, I am adding like a little space here at the end of everyone because that just makes it look better for the user. Okay, now step 4 is the fun part. Now we get to use everything that we just did and make a funny story out of it. So make a print statement, use the function, and this way you can call on those variables. And just keep adding all of the appropriate lines you need. There's multiple ways to add new lines. We're just going to keep it simple and just print each one we want separately. Once you feel like you have a pretty clever and silly story, then it's time to move on to step 5. So step 5 is just to clean it up. And I like to do this by adding spaces in between everything, so that way it looks better for the user. Now if you want to get really fancy with it, we can move on to step 6. And because we're doing a game, when I play like video games or stuff like that, there's always timing cues. And so we can actually import a function called time. And then in between each thing, we can do time.sleep and 1. And that just means we're going to make it sleep for 1 second, so it's not going to do anything. And just saw that there was an error there, and that's because I had asterisks here instead of a parenthesis. Thank you everybody for coming. Let me know if you like this style of video, just kind of quicker, where I go through things at a fast pace. If not, also let me know just in the comment section below. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.